Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best food colorings on the market, the Color Mill oil-based food coloring in black. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or a professional pastry chef, finding the right food coloring can make all the difference in your creations. Color Mill's oil-based food coloring is renowned for its quality and vibrant color payoff. Let's start with what sets this product apart. Firstly, it's formulated with high-quality oils, ensuring that the color is not only intense but also blends smoothly into various mediums like buttercream, fondant, and even chocolate. This oil-based formula means you get rich, deep colors without affecting the consistency of your recipes. It's perfect for achieving those dark, elegant shades in your cakes, cookies, or any culinary masterpiece you're working on. This specific bottle contains 20 milliliters of concentrated black food coloring. A little goes a long way with this product, making it a cost-effective choice for professional kitchens and avid home bakers alike. Concerned about allergens? Color Mill's food coloring is allergen-free and vegan, meeting the food safety standards of Australian and New Zealand authorities. So, it's safe for everyone to use. Here are some tips for using this product effectively. Use sparingly for lighter shades and gradually add more for deeper colors. Mix well to ensure the color is evenly distributed. Now, how does this compare to other black food colorings on the market? Unlike water-based alternatives, this oil-based formula won't break down in high-fat recipes like buttercream or ganache, maintaining its vibrant hue. Let me show you a quick demonstration. As you can see, it blends effortlessly, giving you that intense black shade without any streaks or discoloration. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best black food coloring that's versatile, allergen-free, and delivers professional results, Color Mill oil-based food coloring is your go-to choice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and tips. See you next time on Product Critique.